Hi everybody, it's Abby Mago from Fire Island Sales and Rentals. I'm here on the second floor deck of 31 Ontario in Ocean Bay Park. This home is brand new construction, just being completed now. We're located just 3 houses back from the beach. You can see just behind me, it enjoys gorgeous ocean views here from the second floor, as well as from the amazing roof deck, which is just above us. This home features gorgeous designer finishes, as well as 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a fabulous saltwater pool. Come check it out with me. Hi, we're here in the kitchen at 31 Ontario in Ocean Bay Park. This is one of my favorite homes. We're just wrapping up this brand new construction project, and I just wanted to take you into the kitchen to take a peek. We have this beautiful, huge island with quartz countertops with a waterfall edge. We did a skinny shaker white oak cabinet here, which I love. I think it's just such a beautiful, natural, organic look. We do these very large Frigidaire refrigerator and freezer units, because you can never have enough refrigerator storage. We've done a microwave drawer here in the island and a wool range. One of my favorite aspects of this kitchen is that when you're standing at the sink doing your dishes, you can look out and enjoy the ocean view there, as well as the ocean views that you enjoy from the main windows in the great room. You have ocean views from everywhere. When we designed these houses, we put a lot of thought into how the family will actually live in the space. If you know anything about Fire Island, you know that this is a very popular grilling place. So you're not cooking inside very much when you live on Fire Island. You're really utilizing that grill. So in this home, we designed a special grill deck right off the kitchen area right here, where you have a nice big built-in grill on your own little balcony for the chef. And when you're grilling and you're doing your burgers or your steaks, whatever you're making here, you get to enjoy this gorgeous ocean view right out here. Thanks for taking the tour with us of 31 Ontario. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's a spectacular property. If you'd like to come see it in person, give me a shout. You can call me on my cell, DM me, or send me an email.